Hi! Today we're going to be brewing coffee with a Moka Pot. A Moka Pot is one of the easiest ways to brew coffee at home without having any fancy equipment, and you can get the closest results to an espresso that you could get in your local coffee shop. And today we also have this really cute Moka Pot that I'm really excited to use, so let's just get into it. We start with pouring hot water inside the pot, and we go just under the safety valve. Next step is to put our coffee grounds in. For a Moka Pot, we're using coffee ground a little bit coarser than espresso. Today we're using the Baron coffee because it's really good for espresso based drinks and it's chocolatey and rich. Now we have the last step to screw this back on top, but since we used hot water, we need to remember that this is going to be hot, so it's better to use a cloth just for safety measures. Once this is done, we turn the stove on and we do low to medium heat, and then we wait. So once you put the stovetop on, it's better to stay here and watch, because if you walk away, your coffee might get too bitter because this works really fast. I can already smell the coffee coming out, and I think it's done now. So the coffee is done, and now we can try it. So Moka Pot is a really good way to start your day, your morning at home when you want to have a nice coffee, but you're too lazy to go to the local coffee shop. It's really yummy. So thank you for watching, and I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you next time.